Hey everyone, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today's video is an informative video on how to add card slots to any bag or wristlet. So first we are going to make a pattern on paper which you can use later. So at any point if you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First we will make our pattern on paper. So you will need a little bit hard paper to make pattern, pencil and ruler. So to start, first leave 1 inch from the top of the fabric or say paper. Then make a line. Then take your card, like visiting card or any credit card, place it here on the line and then fold the paper like this, facing to the card. Then take out your card. So now we have to fold this in the opposite direction, but whatever the height of the card, take 1/4 inch short. So here it's 1 inch and 3/4. So this measurement is 1 inches and 3/4. Then fold it back. Like this. Now insert your card into this pocket and see if you are satisfied with it. So there is a little space from where we can identify our card, which card is inside the pocket. So in this way we have created our first slot. So for the second slot, if you want to add one more slot, then place your card on this fold, and then again fold it back facing to the card. Try to match the ends of this paper so that it will be in one line. Again do the same. So place your card or ruler on the line like this and again fold it back. And insert your card and see. So as you see, it's perfectly fits on the paper and shows little bit for the name to identify it. So the next step will be fold this paper in half to get the center point of this paper. So this is the center of this paper. Draw a line. Then insert this card into the pocket and make a line 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch away from the card. So it will easily go inside the pocket. If you make exactly the same. It will be little bit hard to insert your card into the pocket, so leave some extra space so that it will go easily inside the pocket when we stitch into the bag. Do the same on the other side. Leave some space from both the sides, or just quarter inch, and make a line. So now our pattern is ready. So this portion, we have left extra fabric paper on the upside, because when we stitch, when we attach a zipper or anything, we need some extra fabric. So for that reason I left 1 inch extra to do whatever. Now we'll see how we can use this pattern. Take your fabric where you want to make card slots. This is the fabric. I'm going to make cards like this. It has pockets. So I'm going to make this for the similar wristlet like this. If you want, you can purchase these wristlets on my Etsy shop. I will give the link of my shop in the description box. So take the fabric wide, whatever you are working on the project. So I'm making this pouch, so I will need little bit extra space. So here's my fabric. Then fold it in half to get the center of it. Now take your ironing board and make your iron ready. Match the center of this fabric and center of our pattern. Then fold your fabric on the first crease or first fold we made on the paper, and then iron it. Again bring it back and adjust it into the fold like this, and do the and iron it to make a fold on the fabric. Repeat step again. Again unfold it and match the second fold and iron it again. So our cards slots pockets are ready. We will quickly mark the points. So match the center. So here it will come the center. Then for this point you can extend this line. So the second stitch will go here and the other side of the stitch will here. So you can make lines If you want, you can check it whether it fits perfectly. Yeah. So now I will tell you how to decide height of the fabric. We know how much wide we want our fabric. Let's say my wallet or my wristlet is 10 inches wide, so I will take the fabric according to it, 10 inches plus whatever the seam included in that. But how to decide height of the fabric, how long fabric I will need. So for that, take your pattern, a paper pattern. If you see this fold, so this is the I have made line on this fold. So, or if you can feel this, this ends here. So open this paper and measure from this line to this point. So we will measure what is the height of this. So it's comes 9.5 inches. So when you add card slots to any wristlet, take fabric, whatever the height of your fabric. Let's say you need 8 inches of fabric to make a 7 inches of pouch, including seams and zipper attachment. Then add extra 9.5 inches in that to add this slots. So here, so I have taken the fabric is 9.5 inches plus 7 inches, so it's 16.5 inches long fabric. Now if you want to make this pockets more sturdy or stable, at this point you can add interfacing to it. You can add this interfacing, it's like a shape flex. So you will need two, it's 1 3/4. So take your ironing board and open your fabric. So the we are adding interfacing on the shortest area. So take your interfacing and iron it. Again fold it and add second interfacing in the shortest area. If you want, you can add interfacing in this area, in the bigger area also, but it's sufficient. And if you add, it will make more bulkier. So it's give enough sturdiness to our pocket. So that's sufficient. Now we will give top stitch from start to end on both the layers. So I have done the top stitch. So what I did, I opened my fabric and hold this layer and made a top stitch on the second pocket also. Then rearrange it back. So now at this point, if you want to add fleece to this panel, then take your ironing board and fuse a fusible fleece I don't have fusible fleece. I'm using sewing. So this is my fleece. I will lay my panel on the top of it and pin it. Then make stitches. So the mark we made in the center, start from this point, reinforce the point and go and stop at this point where this it's hardly it shows here. At this point stop where this pocket ends, or you can go down if you want, but I prefer to stitch these points only. So and then again start from this point and end at this point. Do the same on the another side. So stitch 3 points. So now I have made the stitches, 3 stitches on the line we made. So our pockets are ready, and this will be our whole fabric, one layer to make a wristlet. So I will show you quickly. So I will insert card. So here you can see we can easily identify our card without taking out from the pocket, and it will hold more than 2 to 3 cards in one pocket. So and when you stitch this pouch or wristlet, you will get extra space which you can use to insert your chapstick or put some coins. If you are making a small wallet, you will not get a long space. So in that case you need to insert the cards vertically. So if you want that pattern, do let me know in the comment box. I will make another tutorial.